Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a wooden wall telephone. Although this is a replica, these were pretty sought after, and because people liked them, they're decorative telephones. And this is in from another telephone repair company that has sent this telephone to us for repair. And so now what we're going to do is they've got a little note, and they say that everything works but the line buzzes. And so we're going to do kind of a little check on the telephone. Let's go ahead and plug the telephone in. And they're right. There is noise on the line. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to take a short break, and we're going to open this telephone up, and we're going to kind of troubleshoot it a little bit and see what we've got going on. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and so what we've done is we've troubleshooted this board, and we found a couple of different major problems with it. There's a little bit of a design problem, and also there was a very low transmit. So what we're going to do is go ahead and replace this board. There's no real good proper way to repair this board here. So what we're doing is we also have the keypad out, and what we need to do is wire a new board in, and we're going to discard this board here. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be wiring the new board in and the keypad to that board. So we're going to take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and while we were gone, what we did was replace the main PC board. I went through this board and troubleshooted it, and there was a lot of problems with it. There was a lot of noise and interference getting into this board from different areas, and I would have had to redesign some things on this board to stop that noise and repair it, and it just would have been too much work. And also it had a very low transmit, so it just wasn't even savable. So what we did was we replaced the board, wired it to the keypad, and then wired it into all the wiring blocks. So we're all finished up with this telephone now, and it's going to work much better now. And so we're going to go ahead and plug the telephone in. I'll go ahead and remove the board that we took out. I want to ring the telephone. I'm going to let that go a couple times. Give it one more ring. Give you some dial tone. And I'm going to walk through the numbers if you want to watch the analyzer. I'm going to end in a 2. I'm going to hang up. I'm going to dial a 2. And I'm going to transmit. And every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation. So now we know that that light is nice and bright, and it's got a lot better transmit than it did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now we don't have to worry about a low transmit either. We're going to walk through our numbers one more time. Star, pound, and I'm going to end in a 2. Now what we want to do is we want to move the telephone over into a regular line. And we're going to go ahead and call, give you dial tone. Go ahead and call a time and temp.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 3rd. The time is 2:14. Current temperature at 71 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast. Clear tonight, lows in the low 60s. Tuesday, partly cloudy, 50% chance of a shower and a thunderstorm, high in the low 80s.
Okay. What we can do here is I'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone there. We'll call one other number. It's getting kind of late, so we're not going to talk to them.
Thank you for calling Walmart.
Okay. So now that we know that there's been a board change and there's no longer any buzzing and humming and all kinds of radical noise going on this telephone, and the board's been replaced, it's repaired now, and it has received, transmit, dials out, and rings in. It's a very nice wooden wall decorative telephone. They're pretty sought after, like I've mentioned earlier. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.